I'm going to show you how to download and install Ardublock on Arduino and run it from the Arduino IDE. So first of all, you want to go to your web browser and wait for it to load. You go to the blog.ardublock.com, and on there you want to go to the Get Started, where you find your download link. There is a quick tutorial on there if you want to read through, or you just click on the download link and it will take you to SourceForge and it will start downloading in a few seconds. So I'm gonna click keep, where it should download to the downloads folder. So if you go to your downloads folder, I've got my download folder up in there, and that's it downloaded for me. You want to copy this file. Now what you want to do is two main links we need to follow. The number one is go to your users. You've got your username, or you got documents and Arduino, which simply is your document folder, and you look for Arduino. In here you want to create a file. You want to create a folder, the tools folder, another folder within it called Ardublock tools, and then paste your Java file there. So I'm going to create tools. Just bear in mind that this is case sensitive, so stick to the same caps and small letters. So tools, into the tools folder, new folder, I'll type Ardublock 2, and I just want to create another tool folder in there. 2. Then finally you can copy and paste the file that you downloaded in here. Rename it to be exactly the same as what's on there. So you've got .java, so it's Java file. Now once that is done, open Arduino. Wait for it to load. Arduino is loaded, so let's see. Tools, and you have Ardublock on there for you, right there. Double click it, and yes, it works.